Hello Ed and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some tips to increase the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. So basically I will be covering the website, homepage, content, Google business profile and backlinks. I noticed that you're a national company, so I'm just going to look at the homepage for the national company, but the rest going forward is going to be for Fort Lauderdale only. So let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button, receive estimate, then you have the contact us form over here. These videos are really good because they actually make people stay longer on the website, and it's a metric that Google looks into when determining which websites are the most relevant ones. Then the reasons why people actually should choose to work with you. Then you have the different service areas, the process that you follow, and then this is the website directory and the location pages that you have in here. Now for Fort Lauderdale, the amount of content right now is 945 words, and content is important because first of all, Google likes to see content. And to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1500 and 2000 words. Also, through content is that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords, which is basically the way people search in Google when they want to buy your products or services. Um, so you want to have those buyer intent keywords sprinkle all over your, in this case, for example, Fort Lauderdale location page. If I have a look at two of your competitors, Two Men and a Track, these guys have 1166 words, and AMS, All My Sons, these guys have, for the Fort Lauderdale page only, these guys have 1173 words. So there's a little bit of a gap there. Perhaps you could look into adding more content, but just making sure that that content is full of buyer intent keywords. Again, so I came here to the Google search and I type in Fort Lauderdale movers, and the first section that you will see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. The downside of Google Ads is that they can be very expensive if they're not done correctly, and also some people just turn them off in their browsers. Now, the other section is the Google Maps. This section drives between 30 to 40% of the traffic, and to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that companies are interacting with their customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to be an exact match of those details in your Google business profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. Now, the third section is the Google Organic Search, and to rank here, you need first a website that is responsive, that loads in less than a second, that is safe, and that has the right content so that Google finds you. And then once it finds you, you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we look at, we use a tool called Ahrefs. Right now I am looking at the location page for Fort Lauderdale only, and I can see that there's one external website directing traffic through one backlink or one link to that particular location page. If I have a look at Two Men and a Track, their Fort Lauderdale page, they have 27 external websites directing traffic through 3008 backlinks. And AMS, these guys have 30 referring domains directing traffic through 446 backlinks. So it's important to have a look at that backlink profile just to make sure that you have not only more backlinks, but quality backlinks. And those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide, because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that its users are performing. Now, the other section is the organic keywords. So this tool is telling me that you are not being found for any organic keywords. And if I have a look at Two Men and a Track, these guys are being found for 255 organic keywords. And this is just for Fort Lauderdale. And if I have a look at those keywords, in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month. And the position is in which position the website is appearing for that particular keyword. So for example, moving companies Fort Lauderdale is searched for 700 times, and because they're on the first position, they get an estimate traffic of 257 visits. Fort Lauderdale movers, that's more than 30% of the, that's around 30% of the traffic. Yeah, 36%. That's more than 30%. Fort Lauderdale movers has a search volume of 350, and they got 130, an estimate traffic of 134 visits. So again, by ranking on the first position, those websites are getting between 25 to 35% of the traffic. So that's exactly what you want to do. You want to identify what are the keywords that have the highest search volume so that you can include them in the content of your website, then build a backlink profile so that you can rank at the top. And by doing that, you will be maximizing the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers. And then a percentage of those will end up in your website, another percentage will reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to increase the traffic to your website and to your location pages. And please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.